What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Got a Trans Am behind me, just finished the tube front on, and I used the factory hood latch. That's what he wanted to do, and we haven't done many of these with the factory hood latch, so I thought I'd just show you what I've done. Very similar to what I did on a Jordan Smith's Camaro years ago. If you search down through our videos, you'll find that as well, but I wanted to show you on the Trans Am to kind of show you the differences, show you what you got to do about the bumper plate on the front, and all that stuff. So let's check it out. So when you're cutting the car apart, don't throw away all your pieces of your front end just yet, because you're going to want to trim this piece out that the factory latch attaches to. This has your slots in it where you can slide the latch up and down and adjust it. You'll want to keep your factory safety catch, or you can cut it off if you want to. I don't know why you would. If you're going to use the factory latch, you might as well keep that too. And it shuts just like factory. So be able to pop it here. The only thing with using the factory hood latch is you can't use this little fancy piece here. You're gonna have to do tubing and tabs, because there really isn't any way to get this to go across that your safety catch is not gonna hit it like that. You basically would have to cut it completely in two, and that's what I've seen a couple customers do. But if you can get ahead of yourself and not put that on, and just, even if you have to cut the little sections out and use the flat tabs of this that comes with the kit, and then just put little pieces of tube or 1/4-inch rod or whatever. I just had this as scrap. That's why I end up using that diameter, but you can use something smaller. But that'll keep everything out of the way. So over the past year or so, we've been adding this little square tube fixture in there in all the Fbody kits to help you line up the correct spacing between the headlight brackets. Well, on this particular setup, I don't know why I haven't done it on all the front end kits I've installed, but I use the little factory side brackets, and I think it's because they sometimes get in the way if they've got turbo kits and stuff in here. But this one doesn't have anything in it right now. It's a Pro Charger setup. And I use the brackets, and they actually tie into the headlight brackets on the side. You can use the studs, it's already there. So I'm going to show you how I've done that right quick. So if you put your fender back on and you line up all of your little paint marks where your bolts come out, you can use this bracket here. And of course it has studs in it that hold the bumper and the fender together. It also has this bolt right there that keeps this seam pulled up tight. It's also got a little screw in there right here at this corner that holds it up tight. But you can see how that bracket assembly ties right into the headlight bracket of the kit. You can actually use the studs that's already there and not have to put bolts in it. Same on that side, so that pretty much locates the headlight bracket on the side as far as its height. And then you can put a level across both of them and get them level, and there you have it. So I hope this helps some of you. We're always trying to find better ways to do things, make things faster, make life easier. So see you next time.